We talk about how to turn off this sign or know how you can do that on your BandLab app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo in app, click on it here. So then when you click in this photo, it's going to take you to this list. You just go above this sign settings, click on it here, and it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications here. So when you click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. Just waiting to open with us here. It's going to take our time to open with us, so you have just waiting. Usually it's going to lay, and you click here on bands, then you go down, you come here to a user accepts my request to join a band. You click in this sign or this color here. Like you see color, it's gonna let me turn off now. Then you can turn off it for mi2. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking